Today we're going to do a really fun project with this fun black wooden cutout. What we're going to do is take our black velvet paste plus my paintbrush here. I'm going to go ahead and spray this with just a little water, just enough to make this spread really nice. And we're going to make this wooden cat black. Of course, we're going to make it black for Halloween. And the paste, the black velvet paste, spreads really nicely over the face of this. We're just going to do the face because I'm going to show you, well, you'll see how it turns out. So this is just a found fun cutout that I found. So it's not a chalk cutout, but it was super cute. So if you find anything like this, or if you're handy with a scroll saw, you can make your own shapes. This is really cool. So I'm just doing my best to paint the face of it real easily. Here, let's see if I can do, nope, wrong one. There we go. So I'm gonna put myself in the corner and get this all painted for you. Now, the edges don't matter because if you know me, you know I'm gonna distress those edges. So the front is painted all black. I'm going to go ahead and wash out my paintbrush in my water real quick. And we'll let that set. Now we're going to dry this. Hope you guys are having an amazing day. I also hope if you're brand new that you will type "add me" into the comments. And what I'll do is I will send you a link so that you can join my free group. This is a crafting group, and it is going to give you more ideas, inspiration, and of course, insider information. So go ahead and check that out. Type "add me" into the comments while you're watching. Oh dear. So while you're watching this, I am probably hanging out in the heat and humidity of Orlando with my family, at least my boys. My girls are at college, so they didn't get to go, but that's kind of to be expected. Here we go. This is getting there. If you haven't checked out our club yet, we have a chalk club. It is super fun. You get a project kit every month with so many ideas on how to reuse or transfer. Check it out. Type "club" in the comments, CLUB, and I will send you a link where you can read the details and check it out. There are some videos as well. You can also sign up right there at that link. Okay. So this is dry. Now what I'm going to do, I'm going to see if it will sand well with my block. Oh yeah, I figured as much. Anytime you're using paste to paint, you know you're going to get a good sand because it's not like acrylic paint or anything like that. So we are making this look all old and distressed, like I love it. Get in there on all the nooks and crannies. And on his tail. So I just have a medium sanding block. It just says medium grit. There's no number, so everybody always wants to know, and it just says medium. There's no number. So that's all I can tell you. Alrighty. I think that's pretty good there. I'm gonna go ahead and clean off my little work area so that I can finish this guy. Super fun though. I love making the 3D items to set with all my other things. And we will dry this off. Okay. Now, I am going to wax him a little bit because I want to put some words on here, and I need to, I want to wax that because it is a chalk finish, not necessarily a paint. You know what I'm saying? So we are going to wax just where these words are going to go. And once you kind of lay that wax down, go ahead and give it a good buff. Make sure it's kind of all right, very good. Now, this really, Something Wicked This Way Comes. It's a really cool A size transfer. Obviously we're not going to use the entire thing. We're just going to kind of use the words, and I could just use Wicked if I wanted to and not use all of the other things, the other words. I will fuzz this puppy, or shall I say kitty. I will fuzz this kitty for you. My head completely cut off. I guess it's just going to be cut off. Okay. One more. Good, good. Now, I'm just going to kind of set this on here, and we'll see. If we can maybe move it over. All right, so it's kind of perfectly on here. Something Wicked This Way Comes. And I wanted to do a really cool color. So, well, not color, but we're gonna do some shimmer frost on here. I think it will look really cool. And of course, shimmery, which apparently to me makes things a little more wicked, right? To me anyway. So we're just gonna shimmer frost this up, make it sparkly. Oops, I got a little bit where I didn't want it. Put the rest back in there. So cool, you guys, is so cool. All right, let me wash this transfer and get this cleaned up, and we'll do a little embellishing. And then we will be done with this one. All right. So I'm just washing that front off with my board eraser and some water. And I'm gonna let this dry. And then all that sticky will come right back as soon as it's dry. Okay, so I think because we used white, we used a nice white. Let's dry that and then we will get to embellishing. Sound like a plan? Awesome. So good. Hope you're having a great day. And I hope you remember to catch me tomorrow. If you don't have my schedule, you can always check it out on my YouTube channel or my Facebook business page. Up at the top, it has my schedule right at the top of the page, or in my YouTube cover photo. You can see Monday, Tuesday, Thursday, 8 p.m. Eastern, Wednesday and Friday, 2 p.m. Eastern. I hope all of my club members know that this week, or this month actually, we have a special for you, that when you have a qualifying order in the month of September, you're going to have earn a bounce back coupon to spend in October, which is going to be an awesome, a hot 25% off of entire order. Any order $50 or more. So that is really awesome. We're going to have, let's see, your qualifying order is $100 or more, and we have a sweet launch coming. Our holiday launch is on the 15th of this month. I think I've got all the white that I want from there. And I need just a little white from here. And then probably we should do a little plaid. Let me grab it. Let me grab my little teeny buffalo plaid. Okay. So we're going to do just a little embellishing. I was going to do it right around but maybe I'll do it around his neck, like a little bow. A little collar on this black cat. There we go. Now, I double knotted that, and I'm going to take this tape off. Be just a second as I peel. There we go. Peeled it off with my multi-tool. It's got so many functions. Actually, it wasn't my multi-tool, it was my detail tool. I'm going to peel apart this rope. There are like 3 strands that you can peel apart. So check it out, you guys. Super cool. Isn't that cool? And you can just set this anywhere where you've got your little holiday display, your Halloween display. Awesome, awesome. So you guys, have an amazing rest of your day. The link for the colors and the transfer that I just used is going to be in the description of the video, and you can get that link for the shopping list and check it out. You can make your own. Have an amazing rest of your day, and I will see you tomorrow. Bye, everybody.